Assalamualaikum everybody and welcome back to Hijabista. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys how I created my own DIY customized 2019 planner. Now, planners are basically a journal where you record your daily or weekly events, your day-to-day life schedules, your to-do lists, goals. So journals or planners are a great way to organize your life events, like your day-to-day events, schedules. Whether you work outside or whether you work at home, we all have certain tasks and responsibilities that we need to complete, and using planners can actually make our work run so smoothly and efficiently. Organizing is something I really love personally. So I'm going to be showing you how I made my own planner from scratch, absolutely from scratch, and I really love how the outcome is, and here we go.
So this is the binder that I'm going to be using. This is an A5 binder which I got from Daiso, Japan in Yasmall. And this is a 2-clip binder. I love using A5 binders because they are so compact to carry and use less paper as well. So here are my planner pages printed out, and these are of A5 size. So I have printed 2 pages in 1 page. So here we have the weekly layout which I downloaded from Pinterest. This is so much easier to use as you don't have to write a daily layout but a weekly layout. So we have different boxes for Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and we have a separate one for the weekend. I have a this week's goals section, a little notes, and I have a section for daily tasks where you have all the days, and we have a little section for being thankful for as well. So it's like a little gratitude. So here are all the pages, and these are the cover pages, and you have this individual month pages where you can see the month at one page. And actually these were printed a little off. As you can see, the design has been cut a little. That is because the pages were not edited rightly, but it's okay. I'm going to manage using these pages. So the things that we need for this planner are really simple. You just need some highlighters. I think this is great if you want to decorate your planner. I like using these highlighters from Faber-Castell. So this is a 5 set, and the pen that I use for my planner is this one by Uniball Sino. I like this one because this can write on plastic as well. So we have some scissors, some cutter, puncher, and we have Fevicol and gum stick, and we have a steel scale. So let's start with cutting out the pages. So I'm going to be cutting all of these pages out that we have our resultant A5 pages. So I'm just going to fold them from the middle to find out the middle spot, and I'm going to use my steel scale and cutter to cut all of these out. So once I have all of our pages cut out, I have the months separate. I have the weeks, which I have 52 pages of the weekly layout because there are 52 weeks in a year. I have the 12 months, and I have a few cover pages. So now I'm going to arrange them in such a way that they are back to back because these are single-sided printed. So I'm going to count the number of weeks in each month, and I'm going to arrange the paper so that they come back to back. And I'm going to glue these pages together with Fevicol. So now that all of my pages are arranged back to back, I'm going to be using some Fevicol to glue all of these in so that all the pages appear back to back. As you can see, all of the pages are printed back to back. And now I'm going to customize them a little. So here in the daily tasks section, I'm going to keep a mini Salah and Quran tracker. So I've added 5 prayers of the day with some Quran and surahs so that I can tick these out every day. I'm going to just use some highlighter to color in the boxes if I've completed that task. So I was really inspired by the new Face Shop skincare planner. So that's why I added a little section for my skincare and hair care, as I knew I was neglecting them for a while. So I added 2 boxes here so that I can use a face scrub or a face mask twice a week, and I also added a hair care section with 2 boxes so that I can track my hair oiling and hair mask. So here is the complete planner. As you can see, all of the pages are back to back, and I like how this is in a weekly layout because it's easier to use. So that is the final look of my 2019 planner.
I hope you enjoyed this video and it helped you in some way. If you're someone who isn't really a planner person, I think you really should start doing something like this on a really simple basis and just see if it works out for you, because I would highly recommend everyone to use some kind of a planner, some kind of a journal, because it really helps in organizing stuff out. Maybe writing out your thoughts daily or anything of that sort. I hope you liked this video. I will see you next time. Till then, Assalamu alaikum.